Dow Jones and Nasdaq both have seen a very good swing throughout the day, while US100 tried to trade bullish but again erasing all the gains, and likewise with US30 it has gone close past 35,300 levels and has reversed since then. Now what to expect today? Important day when the NFP data is awaited in next few minutes or few moments from here, and the world is waiting for it. So what to expect, which position you should take, and how to make the most out of the data, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into Nasdaq100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. And yes, your every like, every share, subscribe and comment is a great motivation for me. So do support the effort. Do press the like button. Do share, subscribe and comment. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. Also press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts on US30. Now US30 so far trading in this you can say retracement channel. After this sharp drop, it is trading in this retracement channel. US100 specifically I'm talking about. So US100 trading in this retracement while it has seen gone close to 15,475, 480 levels. Now remember, in yesterday's analysis, one thing I have mentioned here is that it can possibly approach till towards 15,500 levels, and from there again you can take a sell entry. Precisely, it has tried to do the same, and see now it is trying to come out of this channel here. Now a sell entry is clear here only if you see it trading below these support levels, which is right now situated at around 15,340, 330 levels. Now this is a great support. If it stays below 15,340, 330 levels, you have to go short. You have to sell again and expect it to drop for 15,250 and below level. So this is one point we are observing from the hourly charts. Now let's have a further detail look. See, stochastic is dropping here. MACD willing to converge and crossover for sell. Bearish sign this it. RSI is also dropping. This is also bearish sign for Nasdaq100. Coming to the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, see the bearishness getting increased here. It is trying to drop here, and you can see it is coming out of this bullish channel. It is trying to retrace here. Possibly once it stays below 340, 330, more bearishness may prevail. 300, 250 can be achieved again. And in fact, this time it will take a uglier turn on the downside. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for sell. RSI is also looking down. This is also a bearish sign. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at, now on the 3-hour chart, the preceding two candles are almost double top levels. We have seen almost same top and same bottom for these two candles, and then this candle has started flat. Now this candle is trying to pull it further down, which suggests that soon we are going to see 15,350, 330 zone, which is a great support zone. And also if you look at it, is trying to trade in this box, and hence 15,330 is a great support below which only further bearishness is going to prevail. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has just crossed over a few candles back, and it's trading with very little divergence. And see, this is happening after a sharp red movement here or bearish move here. So possibly we have still room for it to bounce back again. RSI looking down, trying to trade bearish. Coming to 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, likewise, see after forming the double bottom here, it was trading in this bullish channel. Very small bullish candles here, green candles here, and now the red candles have just started. This is the second candle, and this could be bigger ones, and this can continue for a while. And a reversal confirmation is only if you see it trading above 15,420 levels. Beyond 15,425 you can buy here and expect 450, 475, and beyond 475 is where the bulls will take over. Now see what it has done by retracing till then. It has touched the 20 period moving average and hence reversed since then. Stochastic is looking down. MACD is almost on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. It can start to diverge again. Be careful here. RSI is looking down. Coming to the daily charts. Now if you look at the daily chart, see the preceding candle was an indecision candle. The price is failing to stay bearish, saw a very strong pullback. Now this candle has already achieved higher highs. It has touched almost the 20 period moving average, and since then has been trading bearish. So yes, if you see it trading above 15,425, you can buy again, but 15,450, 475 are two major resistances, and then 15,500. Only and only if you see Nasdaq100 trading above 15,500, you can expect a little rise. And on the downside also, I will recommend you to sell only at 15,330. Below 15,330, 300, 250 are two major support, and below that 15,200 level. Now why 15,200 is an ultimate support? You can see this 15,200, 300 zone, multiple candles getting rejected at the same levels, and same levels will again come into picture here. See, the stochastic has dropped, the MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is looking down. Considering this, you can sell here at 15,330 and buy at 15,425. So almost for this 100 points, do not take any position. On the upside, be careful for 15,500. Beyond that only the bulls will take over. On the downside, be careful till the yesterday's lows for 15,250 to 60 zone. Below that only the bears will take the charge. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at Dow Jones, and before we proceed, I have a couple of offerings. First is my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on 7th of August. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Second is my Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details on same. Again, my Telegram and email IDs remain the same. Now, one thing for both Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones we should be cautious is of double bottom levels, that is 35,100 levels and 15,250 levels. These two levels we should be cautious of. Now look at US30 on the early chart. See, it converged till towards the 20-50-100 moving average. If you look at the complete movement, it is trying to trade in this box. Second observation, what we are seeing here is a lower highs which US30 is showing. Hence, only and only if it trades above 35,350, you can consider that as a bullish reversal. And specifically above 35,400 is where the bulls will take over. Now, if you look at the movement here, right away, you can see it was trading for retracement. Now, it has seen a good drop. It has come back till towards the support levels at 35,150, 100 zone. Stochastic is looking down here. The MACD is again crossing over for a sell, and this is a sharp cross here. RSI is also looking down, indicating bearishness. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, these are two straight red candles almost forming symmetry, taking the support at 35,150 and 100. We will see how it behaves at 100. Possibly below 100 is where the bears will take the charge for 35,000 levels, and in fact it can drop below 35,000. Stochastic is dropping there till the bottom, and if you look at the MACD, this is also converging and crossing over for a sell. It is not yet crossed over, remember this fact. RSI is also looking down. Coming to 3-hour charts, if you likewise on the 3-hour chart, see it is giving a clear-cut breakout here, and this is why we can see a couple of sharp red candles here. Certainly support can be expected at around 35,150, 100 levels. Very, very good support exists there. Below 100 is where the bears will take over. Moving averages trading with divergence certainly is a bearish indication. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking down here. Coming to 4-hour charts. Now look at 4-hour charts. See, 4 candles consistently achieving higher highs, just touching the 20 and 50 period moving average have reversed. So this is a good sign that the prices were deviated or divergent from the moving average. It has converged till towards the moving average before looking forward to a down move. Also, if you look at lower highs, lower lows, and hence 35,100, 35,080 is a great support here. Stochastic is looking down here. MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI is looking down. That is also a bearish sign. Coming to the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, first of all, the bearishness getting diminished in the 2 candles we have seen. Second is the 20 period moving average now sitting at around 35,100, which is also very good support. And hence for once it may try to breach these levels, and bounce back is almost expected. If it continues to stay above 35,100, you can expect it to bounce back strongly. Now see, this candle could be potentially a reversal sign here, because see, these 2 candles, there we can definitely expect that the bearishness has diminished. So in this candle, first thing is you can sell at 35,150 or 140 levels, but then expect 35,100 as a very good support. If and only if it stays below 35,100, you can expect that there is lot much ground to cover on the downside for US30. We can definitely expect 34,950 and 34,950 and 34,800 levels on the downside. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD has crossed over and trading with divergence, and trading on the sell side on this crossover is happening at a slightly higher levels, while RSI is also coming out from the overbought zone. So considering this, I will recommend you to sell here at 35,140 and buy here at. But before I give you the buying levels, remember, if you're selling at 140, you have to be careful for 35,100. Very good support at 35,080, 100 edges. And if it draws below these levels, you can expect it to hit below 35,000 levels, and we may see it hitting 34,950, 800 levels also. Be careful here. It can show you major drop if it stays below 35,100 levels. And on the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 35,220 levels. However, 250, 260 is the first target, 300, 350. So almost every 50 points from 250 to 60 zone, it has got a little resistance till 35,400. Only and only if you see Dow Jones trading above 35,400, you can say that the market has reversed and it can try to trade bullish from there. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with always a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do always remember that the news will bring volatility, but the momentum it will it has to always trade as per the regular momentum. News can only bring a temporary momentum. However, the inbuilt nature of the instrument will remain, or that characteristic will remain, and it will show its true colors later in the day. So news, you have to be careful. You have to trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. So do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.